see my face.
Try not to laugh.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not a
Last time it was a horrible fail.
Yeah,
we
fail.
tried recording
Last time it
this
was
before,
awful.
and
It was.
yeah.
This is attempt to. Oh my god.
I don't talk about.
Alright, so let's go.
Anyways, now we're gonna be doing try not to laugh.
Yeah.
And
What the heck?
Other people.
So yeah, the people with the most laughs loses. And since I'm a lazy editor and doesn't let me edit the video, I cannot even put it on the screen. Sadly. Anyways, so you guys ready?
Yeah, sure.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, I'm scared. Is the volume up?
I don't-
can hear. No, it's not. Hold on, the volume's
It's on
not
mute.
up. Wow, that's stupid. Who
You
turned
guys
the
can't
volume
actually
up?
see what's happening.
Turn it
Yeah,
off.
the volume is down, so we can't hear it. That much, dude. Seriously. What do you mean? I'm serious. Come on, do your work. No, that was in the last.
Yeah, like,
Wow.
I would complain to the store.
be like,
I would go up to the store and be like,
Poor puppy. Me on the weekends.
oh no, that's.
Hello.
Just.
Why
I
was
wanna
that
play
even
a little
funny?
game. I might have laughed a little
Why was
bit.
that even funny?
I might have laughed.
It's a jigsaw. It's a horror movie. It's supposed
Yeah.
to be really scary.
Jigsaw's like, wanna play a little
Hold on, go back.
Oh.
Why is that?
So that's 1-1 and 0.
Yeah, he always never laughs.
Here's no so.
You have one job.
Free shove.
Oh,
I love this meme. As a kid, I laughed so hard. I like how they just see this one freaking thing over here. They just see half a girl's face.
oh yeah.
And they see Woody's neck. I'll sure be donuts.
What?
Say what? It's magic.
No, it's freaking wizards.
Pineapple dog. What do you think?
That's a lot.
No, it wasn't. I said. Dang it. I literally went.
Your battery
Sorry,
is
but
running low.
What in the cheat sheet?
Did I ask for your opinion?
We don't care if the battery is running low. Run away. Is he having problems?
Yes, he is.
He got the moves like Jagger. I don't know. I just thought of the song. I said he got the moves, and then that's why there was a pause.
Look at him open.
Honestly, I feel like that's one of the thoughts.
He's like, yeah.
When your mom
He
thinks she's
keeps
can
going.
dance.
He gets run over by a car. He's like, oh yeah. Like, no.
Imagine the otter has seen this. It's like,
Yeah.
Animal
Uh-oh.
abuse.
that's not animal abuse.
Yes, that is. He
He didn't throw him.
He kicked him.
Animal abuse.
This is
No.
funny.
Kicking is when you
Revenge.
drop kick. That's kicking.
Now, drop kicking is when you go fly.
Revenge.
Flying.
Revenge.
Oh, snap. Bald head boy 101.
It's like, oh,
You have some problem with this. Mom about to come home with the belt.
I'm about to throw this cat out of this house.
Why
Out
does
the
he have
window,
two
yeah.
other guitars right there and there?
I don't know. Oh no.
Me and the boys at school.
Why'd she hit her head on the desk though?
I don't know, but I like it.
Oh, here we go.
She meant to do that.
You could literally tell, like, the way she rolled up.
Oh
So-
no!
oh my gosh, I was
remember this?
I was telling my sister about this at home. I said,
Oh.
some dude was like, soda box, come to my hand. And it said, phew.
Oh no! Oh god!
Oh no.
You went to the Mario tunnels.
Ooh. He said,
Hang on.
a second. Oh, what?
It's beginning to believe. That's a laugh.
At you, not that.
No, it still counts. You're not supposed to laugh
Damn.
at all.
Okay.
So 3, 1.
No, you
Oh,
have
this is my
two.
favorite
'Cause
part.
you laughed.
I'm a giraffe.
Nathan, how do you not laugh?
Oh, this one's ridiculous. Regret.
Soothing. Breakfast. Cereal. Delicious breakfast, early evening soup. Delicious. I mean, what is that? Cereal. Transportation Easter maple egg bag. The cereal clear down. Hey.
This is getting crazy. This is getting too
Did
crazy.
you see my
The
this
cereal
point?
egg. What's this?
Squeeze, deep sea squeeze trees. Excuse me.
What? What is that? This squeeze giz. Wait.
Who farted?
Parrot. You keep laughing.
Yeah, who farted? When I gave you lemons. Who farted?
I wasn't.
Okay, that's gonna be the end. The battery is 2. It's 2. Say goodbyes. You can't even see right. Goodbye. This was try not to laugh.
Hi, people.
I'm
We are
weird.
so energetic.
She's weird. He's soulless, and I'm.
Did he
I
just
lost
say
my soul.
he's soulless?
I lost
Yes,
my
I did.
soul.
Goodbye.